Hi, we're in Blackpool today and we have come to meet Rick at Blackpoolspraytech. They've got two machines from us, Aquablast and a vertical wheel lathe. Let's go and have a quick chat with them and see how the machines have integrated into their business. Right, Rick, finally made it here, 5 hours, whatever it was, so thank you for inviting us down first of all. So, firstly, it's obvious that it's a body shop of some description. Tell me a bit about the business, how it works and what you do here.
Well, basically I started up in 2015.
Right.
I've always been in this job, and thought I want to do it myself.
Okay.
So I took that leap, did it, and well, here we are today.
Okay.
So we're doing a lot of body work, car repairs, always getting asked about wheels, hence why I use your firm to get my wheel machine.
So you've got the Vixen Diamond Wheel Lathe and the Aquablast as well. Have they replaced something that you've done in-house previously? And if so, talk to me about the differences that these two bits of kit have made. Is it a time-saving difference?
Definitely a time-saving process, yeah. I mean, when we're getting a wheel in normally, we'd scotch it by hand to get the wheel ready for painting, which could take up to easily 45 minutes.
So, for instance, on the Audi wheel that we've just talked about that you've got in at the moment, how long to do that?
Well, to prep it, we're looking at 45 minutes.
Wow.
So if we're using the Aquablaster, we can do the same process, but in about 5 minutes.
Wow, okay.
So it's a massive difference.
Some time saving.
Yeah, definitely.
Right, Rick, talk to me about the process. So the wheel comes in, it's got some curb damage on it, a couple of scratches or whatever, and...
Yeah, so we get the wheel in. We'll get the car in, we'll jack the car up, take the wheel off the damaged wheel, remove the tyre, all the weights off the wheel, and then we'll get it all clean, the wheel, before we put it in the Aquablaster.
Sure.
So we'll put it in the Aquablaster, we'll give it a blast off, which is roughly 5 minutes, so it speeds the job up a lot. We'll get it out the Aquablaster, we'll dry it all off, and then the next process is obviously the machine. We'll put it into the machine, and we'll load it onto the bay here and check if there's any, if it's buckled or anything like that, so hopefully it spins perfectly.
Okay.
And then we start to do this process of the cutting of the wheel.
Okay. Right, well, thanks to Rick today. They've been very welcoming. It's good to see what they're doing. They've expanded the business by buying these two machines off us, and in terms of what they've taken in customer-wise already, it's really just the tip of the iceberg. Rick's pretty savvy when it comes to social media and pushing things as well, so I reckon if you come and put your head around the door in a year's time, they'll be absolutely flying with these two machines as well. So anyway, thanks again and good luck to them both.